shit. It's not even that bad, it's not. Wet your nipple, David.
I'm not doing it yet.
Wet your nipple.
No!
We're doing it now. We're doing it now. I'll sit on this bed. Wet your fucking nipple.
Shit.
What was that?
It's like some gay porno.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That's wet.
Hey, Ben,
That's fucking wet.
What?
see both in the picture.
Here's
So
right.
we're both in the picture. Hang on, we'll put that down.
Do it. I'm gonna dry around me.
I'll put two more.
Don't worry, just do it. Okay. Fuck this, man. Not that.
Keep it on there, Ben.
Oh Jesus, my poor little nipple. Oh fuck. Step up to that. No one's gonna fucking top that. That burns like
Can't get better than that shit.
Oh.